We are right back at the awesome family video because it is Saturday night. Family video on Easton in North Canton here. We're gonna go on in and look for the video that we couldn't find at the one in Massillon a couple weeks ago. Okay, where would they have it? Wait a minute. Holy crap, it's Chucky. So I'm thinking that it'll be over here in either Family Fun or Favorites. Here's our P's. Where is... Okay, not there. Okay, Favorites. LMNOP. What the heck, man? Oh my gosh, guys, here it is. Pee-wee's Big Adventure. That is totally our movie for the night. And it is in. I'm so excited.
Good morning. I'm here.
You're the best bike in the whole world. I wouldn't sell my bike for all the money in the world. Not for $100 billion, million, trillion dollars. We're losing valuable time. Set up a dragnet, comb the whole area.
Can you think of anyone who might have wanted to take it?
Everyone wanted my bike. This morning, right before it got stolen, Francis offered... Francis!
Go ahead and scream your head off! We're miles from where anyone can hear you!
Good. We can finally start the big meeting. I bought this pen 1 hour before my bike was stolen.
Why? What's the significance? I don't know!
Where is it? Can you see it? Where is it?
Somewhere far away. But where?
The Alamo. In the basement.
When I was a kid, I used to watch Pee-wee's Playhouse constantly. I mean, I think it was on Saturday mornings. And I've seen every single episode of that. In fact, just a couple of weeks ago, I was watching all of them on Netflix, just totally binging on Pee-wee. Oh, this is cool. Look at how they have the Stranger Things thing set up like a VHS. All right, let's go get our shirt first. And then we'll get our snacky poos if I can get through here without knocking into everything. Oh good, it looks like they got restocked on all their t-shirts here too. Alright, and we just need a couple of things here for our snack, but while I am in the cereal aisle here, let me tell you about this. One thing we used to do when my kids were little, easiest snack you can make, hot buttered O's. And these are really cool because they're shaped like hearts, but you just take regular Cheerios, heat them up in the microwave, and melt butter on them. They are delicious. Oh my god, guys, look. Blueberry Cheerios. Holy crap, I wish I wouldn't have seen those. They look like little blueberry donuts. Okay, so heavy whipping cream. Cream cheese. Diced green chilies. Okay, tomato sauce. Hamburglar. Okay, that does it. I think I have everything else I need at home. Let's get out of here. Okay, so I've had some trouble tonight with my computer back here. For some reason, I can't get my monitors to link up to my computer. So I'm using my laptop here. We've got our prints here. And I've gone to this website, this Jolie's, whatever you call it here. And I just chose a picture offline of Pee-wee. And we are going to print it off onto one of these transfers and hopefully just transfer it to the shirt. That's not too shabby. We're gonna get this shirt made. I got a whole handful of things here. So let's get these positioned, iron them on, and see if we can save this shirt. Okay, well, it's not the greatest creation ever, but there's our shirt. We got our red bow tie. Large Marge sent me. And Pee-wee on his bike. So there it is. Let me get changed real quick, and then we're going to make an awesome, tasty, delicious snack because I am so hungry and so ready to kick back and watch a movie. Large Marge! Probably just a dog. Not for $1 million, billion, trillion dollars. This is a new recipe for a low-carb taco bake. It looks so good, and actually the recipe I found online. So what we're going to need here is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 eggs. We stick that in the blender, blend that up. Then we need 2/3 cup of heavy cream, a little bit of taco seasoning, and this is my own homemade taco seasoning. I got this recipe from somebody else, and I honestly don't remember who it is, or else I would link that below too. But that is the first thing we need to do right there, is mix up all that stuff. So let's get busy right here. Gosh, look at that. That is going to be so delicious. Look at that. Holy crap. Take 2. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Oh, that was too funny. Okay, anyways. Look at how tasty and delicious that looks. Holy crap. It smells good. It's in so many different layers, so it's kind of falling apart. I got a little cup of sour cream here we're going to put with it. That way we can kind of drizzle that on there. That was too dang funny, Ed. Okay, guys, let's have a little taste of this before I dump it over too. Hey, it smells so good. I bet I'm going to burn my mouth. Get a little dip of the sour cream there. Really, I wish I had some lettuce and tomatoes to put with this, but I just don't. I should have thought of that while I was out. That is so good. That's the thing, guys. You know, even these low-carb recipes are so delicious. But remember, those layers are made of cheese and eggs, cream cheese, all that hamburger with the chilies and the onions in there, and then more cheese. That bite was even better than the last one. All right, guys, I'm going to put in a movie, Pee-wee's Big Adventure. I'm so excited to watch this thing. I love this movie so much. Make sure you subscribe. Come back every Saturday for more, and I will see you guys next week. Shh.